Hi there, Babatunde Motal here. I'll be doing unboxing of Oraimo OSW 11. Let's unwrap this baby and get down to business. It costs less than 15,000 naira here in Nigeria, which is about 32 US dollars, with a very thick package. The package comes with full information of its potentials, and at the back a picture of two Baba checking his Oraimo wristwatch. This beautiful baby looks pretty from the outside. Let's see what's inside. Wow, beautiful, like a black diamond. Let's see what else we can find in the pack. Oh, I got it. Yeah, the manual. We have just the manual only, nothing more, I think. Alright, let's pack this off to the side. First of all, look at this black strap, well decorated with cuff lines, contours, made from rubber. The texture is there. These are removable straps that you can easily adjust. It wouldn't look dirty after a while. Besides just one button, so the screen is a little bit dim, not totally bright, but not bad. The 1.3-inch full touch screen is pretty responsive to touch and swipes in HD color. It claims to have 21 days battery life, which I'll put to test in a couple of weeks from now. So hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel so that you'll miss this full review once I drop it. The back has sensors to monitor your sleep tracking, heart rate beat, even while exercising. Let's try it on. The strap is moderately long, so it suits every hands that it meets. Not bad for even small wrists. You can simply sync this smartwatch with your Choice app. Find it on Google Play Store, you can find it on Apple, so the settings are there. This strap is removable, so you can remove it to charge it up, unlike some other smartwatches that you have that comes with its charger. This has no charger or USB cable whatsoever with it. You just have to plug out this side of the strap and plug it to your USB charger. You can use your power bank to charge it, your Oraimo power bank. Aside from your power bank, you can use your USB ports to charge it up, and just look at it, it's already charging. So I'm going to leave it up here to charge. I'll tell you how long it charges up in the next couple of minutes or hour, which is my first charge. So let's pause the video while I use my counter to check it out. So this thing can sleep, even tell you your notification on your smartphone once you sync it up with the Choice app. It is not a small watch compared to its size on my hand. It is a watch that once you put it on, it is noticeable. Alright, that will be all on unboxing of Oraimo OSW 11 smartwatch. In a couple of weeks now, I'll be dropping the full review. Don't forget to check it out. I'll be showing you everything I discovered about this smartwatch, how the battery life lasts, and what I discovered just on my own. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of these reviews. Thank you very much for staying tuned to this end of this video, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm Babatunde Motal. See you next time. Peace.